Good evening. Welcome to virtual class. Today I am going to show you how to use your mobile phone as a learning gadget. How you can organize your mobile phone for your learning purposes. Let's get started. Now first look at the screen. As you can see, I have organized it in a way. Here in the top you can see the logo I have created, and below their virtual class, and there are some folders. First look at here, the first folder, Samsung Notes. Here you can organize your things, like you can take any notes of your subject, you can keep things and you can organize it. See, categories like subject names you can keep, maths, science, English, computer, whatever you can keep likewise. Let me click this here. And other important documents also you can keep, like I have kept the emails here, list of emails, any password, anything that is related important to you, you can keep in Samsung Notes. This is my mobile provider, that's why this is inbuilt. Whatever the mobile you are using, which company, they will be providing you a platform for Notepad. That will be your note, or if it is not there, you can install it. Let me show you how you can do this. Writing tools, this OneNote, this is a Google extension add-on, Note 1. This is a notepad actually. Let me show you how it works. Yes, this is Microsoft product. Here you can organize your things. See, this is English SYBAC. The things I have shared with you. Any link you can keep here for your future use. Any photograph, screenshot, any syllabus, anything, you can just keep it all in one place. And you can highlight anything, like yes, you can do graffiti with this. This is a nice thing. And here also you can make the categories. And one is important aspect is sticky notes. Yeah, this comes in pink color, as you can see. This is in class note I have taken from internet and I have pasted here. Let me show you how you can do this. Plus sign, then you can select a color. How you can choose the color? Here, yellow color, green color, pink color, purple, blue, even black also. With black you have to use the contrastive white color. Let me show you this green color. Hello everyone. Yes, now this has been created, and you can stick pictures also here. Like subject wise you can store the things, camera, document, picture, anything you can store. Suppose let me keep this. And hey, hey you. So this is done. Okay, see, this has been saved. So this can be useful for you. And also look at the system that I am managing, like writing tools. These are the things that I use for writing. OneNote is the notepad, Docs, this is Google extension, Translate, Word, WordPress, uh, this is the website, Wix. These are two websites there I write. That's why I've kept the things. That's the things that I use for writing. Social sites, Instagram, YouTube Studio, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. These two, WordPress and Wix, also because they are social sites, are also here. Here Save Zone, like the Google Drive, Adobe Acrobat, Files, My Files, OneDrive, Photos. This I have kept all in one place. Teaching tools. Now for setting up Google Meet, I need calendar. So here calendar, Zoom, Google Meet, Word, screen recorder, which I'm using right now, so Google Slides, OneNote, Draw on Screen, Bitmoji, the logo you see over there that I have created using Bitmoji. Docs. Docs is same like Word, but that runs on the internet and you don't have to save it again and again. It auto saves the things. My Files, Voice Recorder, Classroom, Google Classroom, and SlideShare. SlideShare, it's like slides. If you create any slide, if you want to share with someone, you have to copy paste, or you use any platform, Gmail, whatever. But in SlideShare, by clicking the share icon, you can just share it to anyone. This is a social site actually. So I have kept it here for teaching, as teaching tool. Let me show you other things. Microsoft apps. Here Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, Skype, Adobe Acrobat, Outlook, and Google. Whatever the platforms are offered by Google, so all in one place. And everything goes in here, camera, gallery, in one place. I don't have much things, like this is my one page and some important links I have saved in as in home page, like this. You can save your things. And if I scroll, this is the main page, and this is my home page, all in one place, and I don't have to search it here and there. If I need something, I know where to go and take this out and utilize that. Okay, I think you can create your own things in your own way, which will be helpful for you. Okay, I think this video will be helpful in organizing your teaching learning tools, because you are not teaching, sometimes you teach also to someone else, like for helping your friends, teaching your siblings, anyone. And if you are involved in any other activity in those sectors, you may get benefited. And for learning, as a student, this organizing method can help you and saves time, your memory, your phone data, and the overall well-being of the phone. Yeah, if you are using laptop, that is applicable, same thing applicable. And I will be making other videos also, how to organize a specific things like Gmail, or how to organize a Google Classroom. Let me know in comments if you want such kind of videos to be uploaded. I'll try my best to give you information. Thank you for today.